Welcome to EA Sports live coverage of this friendly.
This is the Borussia Dortmund lineup. This is the Leicester City lineup. Esteban Cambiasso. Richie Delatte. We'll get it back here. Mark Albright. Shinji Kagawa. Good movement to get to it. Simpson. Esteban Cambiasso. Richie Delatte. Mark Albright. Well, that'll be a throw. Hummels. Gundogan. Piszczek. And that will be a throw. Good, strong challenge. This could be it. Got to be. Struck the post here. That's a very good goal. Well, that's the first goal of the game. It's 1-0. Piszczek, return pass. Gone on one possession back with that tackle. Gundogan. Hummels. Well, one of the great characters of management anywhere in the world, I think, is Jurgen Klopp. We delight in with a chance. Goalkeeper not needed because they've stopped the shot. Just a quick word on Borussia Dortmund and Jurgen Klopp. I was going to ask you about him, Alan.
Well, he's certainly one of the characters of European football. He's so animated on the touchline, and not only that, I think he's a clever coach who's got the ability to carry players with him.
Shinji Kagawa. Good control here, quite congested midfield, but good passing from this team. Aubameyang is the player offside. And Morgan. Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang. Crisp defending there. Here's the chance. He's had a crack.
Well, he's missed it, hasn't he? What a good chance that was for him.
Richie Delatte. Here he is with a chance. Got to be. And they pulled it back level. Bit of a gamble, really, to swing his foot at it, but a gamble that really paid off.
And so often they end up at the back of the stand, but not that time, back of the net.
We're all level again. 1-1 the score. Esteban Cambiasso. That's very well read. And that's a simple save from an ambitious effort. Shinji Kagawa. Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang. Chance for it, got to be. Well, he tried to lob the goalkeeper, but didn't get the height.
Well, he's a big lad as well, the keeper, and it's going to be a great effort to beat him.
Hummels. And Marco Reus is definitely offside. Richie Delatte. ball forward towards Aubameyang. And it'll go into the middle now. And that cross unable to, in the end, find the attackers. This is an excellent run towards Aubameyang. It's a quick break, in with a chance. Oh, that's a fantastic goal. Well, he got his second goal of the game, and it's very well taken. Well, now it's 2-1.
Well, how easy was that to beat him?
Here's the shot. Oh, Weidenfeller, he saved it. Here is a corner for them. Just trailing by the one. And the goalkeeper coming off his line. Now Kagawa. Well, that's a real tussle for the ball there. Well, the referee is blown for half-time here with 2-1 the score. The home support. Change of ends, and the second half is underway. Unmarked now, he's lost his marker. Makes a challenge here. He's got a chance to cross. That will just bobble on through to the goalkeeper. Shinji Kagawa. This could be a chance. Here's the chance. Roman. And in comes the header. And it's just wide.
Man, he's gone for the corner and he's not missed it by much, but wasted opportunity.
Marco Reus. Quick tempo to the passing. The opposition can't get near them. Piszczek. Lost his man. High and not very handsome. The player likes to keep possession. He hasn't done that with a attempted dink pass then. Could be dangerous. Got to be. Oh, look at the disappointment. That would have levelled it up.
Well, that's a big moment in this game, perhaps, and look at the striker's body language. He knows he's squandered that opportunity.
Marco Reus. He had a go, and we've got to praise him for that.
Well, I think he has scored from these kind of distances, but not too often in his career.
In with a chance. Still in play here. Oh, here's a chance. It's a corner. They're a goal down. And he's headed it goals. Great chance to get his team level.
Thought he took his eye off the ball, maybe lost his head just at the vital moment.
I think we'll see with these possession stats, Alan, that yes, the game has been as even as it seemed without the figures to back that up.
Yeah, I mean, I think we thought coming into this match, Martin, that it would be evenly matched. And it's been the case here.
And they've got the ball back through a very good interception. He's done well, cut out the pass there. Joe. Joe. Shinji Kagawa. He's beaten his man. He read it and cut it out. Ah, he's taken it away there with a very good tackle. Towards Royce. Knew exactly where he wanted to head that. Well, I'm not sure how this one is going to finish. It's so exciting. That's gone out for a throw-in. Gundogan. That's a decent challenge by the opponent. And this is going to be a throw. Well, no delay here. Oh, he's totally done the defender. Well, it's nip and tuck here, Alan, isn't it? They've got the lead, the fans are backing them to the hilt, the other team are coming right at them.
Well, it'd be a fantastic result, this, you know, because they have played extremely well.
Piszczek. Well, here comes the support. Kagawa. Strong tackle here. Shinji Kagawa. Tries his luck. He missed it. Now Kagawa. It's a chance. Got to be. That was the opportunity, really, and he came very close to taking it, but I'm afraid it's just wide.
You know, he's been in good form. I think his teammates were fully expecting him to score there.
It's a good-looking attack, this one. It might be a final attack as they look for this equaliser. And we're looking at the referee, and there goes the final whistle. And the match is finished here, 2-1.